Here is some not much talked about good news. Meta teamed up with Midjourney last August 2025. Yes, that best-in-class image generator Midjourney, and Meta dropped some ridiculous new image and video capabilities for free. In this video, I'll show you how to log in without messing up your Facebook or Instagram, create beautiful art with Meta AI, turn your images into animated videos, add music, extend them, and yes, make a dog and a cat dance to Mambo number 5. If that sounds like the kind of chaos you like, stick around. I'm Andrew from Andrew Learns AI. Let's jump right in. First, let's get you signed in. We go into the browser, we look for meta.ai, and here in the bottom left corner, you need to log in. Now you can log in with Facebook or Instagram, but if you have forgotten the password, well, don't worry. We can always click use email address or mobile number. I recommending using the mobile number that is already linked to your WhatsApp. So you enter in your number and we create a new account. Put in your birth date. I would recommend that you put in this truthfully. Don't make yourself too young if you don't want to put your actual date of birth. If you are too young, it may lock you out for good. The best policy is just say it as it is, truthfully. Create a new password, and here you get a username. It has to be a continuous string of alphanumeric. Just give something that is meaningful to you. Get some confirmation, and we're good to go. Read through some of the tutorials, and there it is. Not that difficult after all. And once you're inside Meta AI, the interface looks pretty much like any other large language model. You have got the context window, just like ChatGPT, Gemini, where you can put in your prompts. On the left side, you get your chat history. And this is where the fun is. If you click the plus, you can create images or video. And once you select create, you can have an option of image or video. We'll stick with image for now. And aspect ratio, you've got a choice of 1:1. That's a square, and it's great for Instagram platform. And if you want to create TikTok shorts or reels, select 9:16. YouTube, Facebook, where you want it long, select 16:9. Now let's jump right in to create our first image. I click the plus, click on create image. I'll leave it as 9:16 for now. Cute white dog in a field. Enter. Meta AI is going to give me 4 images, and it's a nice choice of images for me to pick the best one that I like. You see how realistic, how cute it is, because this is Midjourney's technology now built into Meta AI. You can click into it, and over here on the left side, you see the options. And if you like a particular image, you can have some options on your right side. For example, over here, right at the top, this was the prompt used to generate this image. Now, if I change something, a cute brown dog in a field, if I change the prompt right up there, it's going to generate another set of 4 images that will be quite distinct from the original picture. As you can see, it's completely different. Now, what if I want to edit this image, like change the background, keep the image of this dog as it is because it's so cute? I could go here, edit image. I just describe what I want to change about this, and it'll do that micro changes for me. For example, if I want to add a cat standing next to this same dog, I will just put here, add a cat next to the dog. I enter it in, it will preserve this image of this dog and add a cat alongside it. You see how realistic it is? It's just beautiful. Again, you get a set of 4 images. You pick the one that you like, and I can edit further. For example, I want to change the background. now to a snowy background with snow falling. And I send it in. It will preserve the dog and the cat, but change the whole ambience and surrounding and background to that of a winter wonderland. The images are already ready for me on the left side. As you can see, if there is a white dot, means that it is newly generated. I click into it and voila, beautiful. And creating images is as simple as that. And yeah, I can have more fun with this image. If you take a look on the right side, there is Restyle. And with the image, you can turn it into any of the styles. If you like it in cartoon, you just simply click on it, click on Restyle, and this very image will be turned into cartoon style. And the images are already out. There you go. Right? And you can pick any other design. For example, if you want it in the form of a collage, you simply click onto it and you get it in a different feel and style. There you go. Very interesting. Go ahead, be adventurous, try it out. Now, I want to just jump back to the aesthetics which I had mentioned here. What's all these about? Variety, weirdness, stylization. What are all these? Well, this really brings up the Midjourney DNA. It controls how different the 4 images will turn out. So if it is low, all the 4 images will be very similar. But if you crank it up, all the 4 images will be very varied and it gives you more choices. Let's try the same prompt, this time with variety cranked up. And I send it in. And this is an excellent example of variety. Now, if you crank weirdness, what is this? This is the, wait a minute, what did I just see? You get strange compositions. I'm going to send the same prompt in. Weirdness just maxed up. And you do have a very, very interesting images. If I turn out stylization, well, this determines how artsy versus how literal the image is. If low stylization, it'll follow your prompt very closely. But here, if you crank it up, you get dramatic lighting, wild textures, and all the interesting stuff. And this is an example of high stylization. Different textures, different lighting, a different dramatic mood to it. Now back to this image, let's go into animation. I like this picture. There is this button called Animate. And if I click on it, it will give me 5 seconds of motion. It will animate my image and it's already being generated. Every click gives you 1 video generation. Keep looking at it on the top and it is already out and there you go. Lifelike, realistic, beautiful. 5 seconds. Now you've got a couple of options here. You can add, you can extend. If 5 seconds is too short, you can extend it. Every time you click this, it adds 4 seconds to your video. I click extend and a new generation is being worked on and I should get 9 seconds of video. And there it is. So the next time I click on this, I will get another 4 seconds added to it. Now, you can even add music to it. If I click on this, it's going to look at my image and suggest suitable music. Seen the snow, and so it pushes out Christmas Jingle Bell. Click on it to sample it. So if the music that you like, simply select it and apply. It will create the same image with the music embedded to it. To play it, all you have to do is to click on this speaker, unmute it. Now, what else can you do? Like image, you can play around with the restyle of the video. If you click on browse. You can turn your video into anime or superhero and have fun with all the other options. In this case, let me click on superhero and restyle. Let's see what turns out. And there it is, my animals in superhero costume. One of my favorites is clouds. It just turns my characters into somebody. To me, it looks like Candy Floss Land. If I click on Restyle, and there you have it, my cute dog and cat, they are in Candy Floss Land, superheroes up in the clouds. Now, what if I want more control in my animation? What if I wanted to do some actions? How can I prompt? How can I direct my video? Well, you can do that with custom Animate. And if you click onto it, you can actually describe what you want them to do in your video. In this case, I'm going to say dog and cat dance on their hind legs to the tune of Mambo number 5. And just to add a bit of kick, I'm going to select Mambo number 5. And I can sample the music. I just click on it and apply. And I animate. I should get a 5-second image of them dancing to the tune of Mambo number 5. And there you go. And I can extend it further. And there you go, dog and cat dancing to the tune of Mambo number 5. Okay, now that you like the video, how do you download it? To download, simply go up, look for the download icon, click on it, and it should be in your download folder already as an MP4 file. Now, where do I find all my previous work? They are all on your left side. If I close this window, I'm back to my user interface. I see the chat history on the left side. That's where you get your previously created images. They are all there in your account. You never lose them. Now, there is also a pretty fun feature, and that is the ability for you to create a video of a photo that you upload. Simply drop an image that you have. Here I've got a photo of a young lady in a library. To upload this picture, I simply click add an image by clicking the plus, add media and files. Alternatively, I can just drag and drop from my download folder within this context window. Here I can click on create and video. I can describe what she's doing. Girl looks at camera and smiles. Click animate and she should be coming alive with motion. And this is it, a pretty nice overview of all the features that you can work on in Meta AI. Now, if you have got enough of these clips, you can put them all into CapCut. If you want to know how to edit and stitch all these various animated clips into a music video, do check out my next video, which is about how to use CapCut to create your music video. Do check it out. Well, that's all I have for you today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, where I'll dish out more for you. Meanwhile, AI on.